Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to recover your Paxful account. To recover your Paxful account, open the Paxful application and from the home section, tap on the sign in button. In the sign in area, you will be prompted to enter your email or phone number followed by your account's password. If you don't remember your password, click the forgot password link. On the next page, enter the email address associated with your Paxful account. Click on reset password and to set up a new passcode, enter your 6-digit verification code that has been sent to you on your email. Open up the email that you received from Paxful and copy the code inside it. Paste it in the text box in your Paxful app, or you can also type it down. Now on the next page, enter a new password for your Paxful account. Your password must include uppercase letter, lowercase letter, one number, a symbol, and at least 6 characters in your password. Finally, after entering a new password, click on Save New Password button. After tapping on Save New Password, you will be able to recover your Paxful account. Next time you log in, you will now need to enter the newly created password. That is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.